In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shop policies on Etsy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each policy section means, so you can update your shop with confidence. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the first result to head to the official website. Once you're there, log into your account. Make sure you're signing in securely on the official site and use your usual credentials so you can access your seller tools. From the top of the page, open your account menu and choose Account Settings. This is your gateway to the key controls behind your shop. Next, navigate to your Shop Manager. The Shop Manager is where you handle listings, orders, and of course, your policies. Inside the Shop Manager, click on Settings and then select Policy Settings. This is the dedicated area where you can adjust the rules that guide how your shop operates. You'll see options for returns and exchanges, cancellations, and privacy. Start with returns and exchanges if you want to define how you handle items that buyers want to send back. Think through your time window for returns. The condition items must be in when returned, who pays for return shipping, and whether personalized or digital items are eligible. Clear, specific language helps prevent misunderstandings and reduces back and forth later. Next, open Cancellations to manage when and how buyers can cancel an order. If you allow cancellations within a certain time frame, like before shipping, say so plainly. If there are exceptions, such as made-to-order items that can't be canceled after work begins, spell that out as well. Consistency between your returns and cancellations language makes things easier for shoppers. Then select Privacy to edit your shop's privacy policy. Explain, in simple terms, what buyer information you collect, how you use it to fulfill orders, and how it's stored. It's also helpful to note that buyers can reach you through Etsy's messaging system with questions. Keep the tone transparent and straightforward, and avoid promising anything you can't maintain. When you're ready, click Create Policy and add the text for each section. Aim for clarity and readability. Short paragraphs and everyday language work best. Double-check spelling, dates, and any conditions or exceptions you've included so everything aligns with how you actually run your shop. Finally, click Save to apply your new policies. Etsy will update your shop so buyers can see these details before they purchase. With clear, well-structured policies in place, you'll set expectations up front, build trust, and make customer service smoother for everyone.